Hello! Welcome back to Pamati Tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. Welcome to Pamati. We are still in Module 6, Quarter 1, Week 6 in Math 7. Okay? But we mix the two lessons, the Lesson 2 and the Lesson 4, which is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of decimals. Okay? Watch this video para kayo matuto kung paano mag-add, mag-subtract, mag-multiply, at mag-divide ng decimals. Okay? Now, let's have first our problem before we will proceed to our lesson. Upen cycled 1.85 kilometers from his house to the library, 0.535 kilometers from the library to the post office, 2.7 kilometers from the post office to his house. What is the total distance that Upen cycled? What operation or operations is or are involved in solving the problem? Okay, to answer that one, what is the total distance that Upen cycled? That is 5.085 kilometers. What is the operation involved in solving this problem? We have the addition of decimals. Okay, we are now in addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay, example, 0.005 plus 9.684. Okay, the rule is we need to align the decimal points. Arrange our two addends into vertical form. Okay, naka-vertical o naka-column form. Naka-column siya o naka-vertical. Then align the decimal points. Okay, align means yan, naka-align yung decimal points natin. Okay, then after that, add or subtract the numbers in columns. Okay, add or subtract our numbers in column. Okay, since it is addition, we need to add 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 6 is 6, 0 plus 9 is 9. Then after that, insert decimal point in the answer immediately beneath the decimal point in the numbers being added and subtracted. Okay, example, this would be our answer. Then the decimal point, dito natin ilalagay. Okay, beneath on the aligned decimal points. Okay, that is how to add decimals. Next, letter B, 129.08 minus 3.52. Okay, again, arrange in column, then align the decimal points. Yan, naka-align yung decimal points. Then, we need to subtract. Then, to get the difference, then, the same, naka-align pa rin yung decimal points. Okay, that is how to add and subtract decimals. Okay, another examples. 12.7 plus 5.62. Again, arrange in column. Then, observe, we need to align the decimal. Okay, kahit ano pa yan dyan, basta naka-align yung decimal. Then, apply the operations. Okay, then, add the numbers. Then, beneath those decimals, we need to write the decimal point. Therefore, the answer is 18.32. Another example, 14.046 minus 0.854. Okay, again, arrange in column, then align the decimal points. Apply the operation, which is the subtraction. Then, beneath those decimal, write the decimal points. Okay, that is how to add and subtract decimals. Now, the second one is the multiplication of decimals. Hindi natin pwedeng isabay ang division kasi magkakaiba yung rules. Okay, multiplication of decimals. In multiplication of decimals, let's have this example para malaman natin yung rules. 321.4 times 0.31. Okay, arrange natin into vertical. Arrange into vertical. Ayan siya. Naka-arrange into vertical. 321.4 times 0.31. Dito naman, not necessary na i-align natin yung decimals. Hindi katulad sa addition at saka subtraction, naka-align yung decimal. Dito, hindi naka-align o okay lang na hindi naka-align yung decimal. Okay, then multiply those numbers. 1 times 4, 1 times 1, diba? Ang rule is in multiplying this one, 1 times 4, 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, and the answer is multiply the numbers if you multiplying whole numbers. Yan siya. Next, 3 times 4, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, then 3 times 3. Okay, you can have that one. Then, add. That is the rules. Diba? Add. Okay. The answer is 99634. Now, start from the rightmost end of the product. Dito siya. Rightmost end. Diyan siya. Rightmost end. Move the decimal point to the left side. Oh, to the left, the same number of the places as the sum of the decimal places in the multiplicand and the multiplier. Okay, the multiplicand and the multiplier. Decimal point, decimal point. Before the decimal point in the multiplicand, how many decimal places tayo? 1. In the multiplier, after the decimal point, how many decimal places? 2. 1 plus 2, there are 3. From the output, the rightmost, okay, at the rightmost end of our answer or product, we will count 3 decimal places. Kasi ito is 3. Let's count 1. Wait lang, we'll get pen. Count dito. 1. Then 2. Then 3. Okay. We move 3 decimal places to our answer. Okay, the decimal point. Okay, therefore, on that part, we are now for 1 decimal place, 31. That is 2 decimal places. We'll move, that is 3 decimal places. Then our point on that part. Okay, then dito na siya. Therefore, our answer is, if we will multiply 99.634. Okay, that is how to multiply decimals. Okay, another example para talagang master tayo dyan. Okay, arrange in vertical 562.31 times 25. Okay, arrange in vertical form. Not necessary to align the decimal points. Just like multiplying numbers, you can have that one. Then after that, count the decimal place of multiplier and the multiplicand. The multiplicand, we have 2 decimal place. Since the multiplier, wala tayong decimal dito, then only 2 places. Therefore, for our product, we will move 2 decimal place. Okay, you can have that one. Then write the decimal point. Therefore, our answer is 14,057.75. Okay, the third example, 8,721.231 times 5.2. Okay, again, multiply that one into vertical form. Then multiply as if you're multiplying whole number. Then count the decimal places of the multiplicand. Pila? Ilan? Tatlo. Sa multiplier, dalawa. Ilan ang decimal point na i-move natin from the rightmost? 4. Okay. Therefore, our answer is 45,350.4012. Okay, that is how to multiply decimals. Okay, next, division of decimals. How to divide decimals. Okay, example. If the divisor is a whole number, divide the dividend by the divisor. Apply the rules of a whole number. The position of the decimal point is the same as that in the dividend. Okay, ito siya. Example, 34.625 divided by 5. Okay, ito yung dividend. Ito naman yung divisor. Arrange that one using the division house. Okay, ganyan. Okay, the dividend is inside the division house. Then our divisor. Since our divisor is a whole number, ayan siya, whole number, it is whole number, directly we will divide this one. Okay, that would be our divisor and that would be our dividend. Directly we will need to divide that one. Okay, so this 34 divided by 5, you have 6. Then 6 times 5 is 30. Then subtract 34 minus 30, you have here 4. Okay, then balikan natin, the position of the decimal point is the same as that in the dividend. Asan yung decimal point natin sa dividend? Diba ito? This would be our decimal point. Therefore, bring down 6, that would be our decimal point. Nandito rin kung saan yung decimal point natin. Okay? Align yan siya. That would be our decimal point. Therefore, 46 divided by 5 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract. Then you will have 1. Bring down 2. 12 divided by 5, you have 2. Then, 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract. You will have 2. Bring down 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then, 5 times 5 is 25. 25 divided, subtract, you will have here 0. Therefore, 34.625 divided by 5, the answer is 6.925. Okay, that is how to divide decimals. If the divisor is whole number. How about if the divisor is a decimal? Okay, if the divisor is not a whole number, which is in the decimal form, make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point in the divisor to the rightmost end. Make the number seem like a whole number. Okay, example, 80.96 divided by 2.3. Okay, our divisor is 2.3. Ito siya. Our divisor is 2.3. We will make the 2.3 a whole number. Sabi dito is we will make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point in the divisor. Okay, we will move this decimal point to the rightmost. It means dito, to the rightmost. Okay, kuha ko ng pen. To the rightmost, dyan. Okay, i-move natin para magiging whole number na siya na 23. Okay, magiging whole number na 23 ang ating divisor. Since nag-move tayo dito sa divisor ng 1 decimal place, diba isang beses nag-move tayo, sa dividend, mag-move rin tayo ng isang beses. To the right, kasi to the right ito. Okay, kung pangalawang beses tayo nag-move, pangalawang beses din tayo mag-move sa ating dividend. Okay, since nag-move tayo, itong decimal point ng dividend natin, move 1, then we will have now 809.6. Kasi nga, minumove natin yung decimal. Because, ang goal natin, ang divisor ay magiging whole number. Okay, that's it. And after that, we will now divide these decimals. Okay, it becomes now 809.6 divided by 23. Okay, 80 divided by 23 The answer is 3. 3 times 23, 69. Subtract, you will have 11. Then bring down 9. Divide 23, you have 5. 5 times 23, you will have 15. Then, observe the decimal point. Dito yung decimal point natin. Dito na rin yung sasagot natin. Okay? Align lang sila. Okay, that would be our decimal point. Then, subtract. The answer is 4. Bring down 6. 46 divided by 23 is 2. Then, multiply, subtract. The answer is 0. Therefore, 80.96 divided by 2.3, the answer is 35.2. Okay, that is how to divide decimals. And thank you for watching Pamati tutorial. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, do not forget to click the notification bell para ma-notify sa mga next na video. Thank you for watching.